single installation. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
That single installation is declared with the name of like RTL, MSSQL server, CD, DB2 like that. And schema is the diagram. Okay, the relationship diagram. It's the logical structure of the database. The database consists of information about a set of customers and accounts and the relationship between them. We saw the schema before. This is the schema. Okay, shows the relationship between the tables and columns. And each tables are related together. This is known as a schema. This is the database diagram. You need to be aware of the schema, user, and database. Okay, if Oracle, the database and the user are the same. Okay, I will show you the interface later, so you can access the interface. The DB equal to the user in Oracle. Okay, in Teradata, a database and a user are different. Okay, in DB2, the user and database are different, and in Teradata, a user and a DB are different. In SQL Server, a user and DB are different. Okay, so when we try to see a user in Oracle, okay, when we try to access a user in Oracle, that user itself is a database. Okay, that database will contain the schema. Okay.
Okay.
Now, when I show you the interfaces, you will get to understand what is the difference. Why don't we directly go ahead and see what is the difference? First, we will go to the. There will be a database and user schema. In all these things are related. So I was explaining Oracle. These are the states. The database and the user is kind of state. Okay, and in all other databases, these are not the same. Okay, we will have separate users and separate databases. These are two different. Okay. Then we need to start the services. So a single installation will be started or stopped in a system. Okay, we can start the installation of Oracle services, Teradata services, DB2 services, or SQL Server services manually or automatically. Okay, in Teradata services, we can start the services by pressing the DB control, and to show you a window like this. Here it is written start and stop Teradata. Now it is running. Here it says it is running. Okay, so if you can press the stop Teradata like this. Now I am trying to stop the Teradata. It will stop the Teradata system running on this machine. So the activities of an administrator is to maintain the proper running condition of a database. So he will be responsible for doing all this starting, stopping, or maintenance.
Okay.
The effective backing up and maintaining all the security. He will be doing all this. So in Teradata, we got an interface like this. We can start the Teradata system. But when we go into Oracle, in most cases, these things are installed on a Unix machine or like that, or Solaris or something like that. Right? So we don't have an interface like this where we can just go ahead and start and stop it. Here, Teradata made it easy for us in Windows system. We have a start and stop system. Otherwise, we will be command line interfaces always, or we will be using. We need to understand some Linux concepts. We will cover that Linux later. Okay, and we will, we need to run. Okay, so the job of an informatical developer is to run workflows effectively and design workflows and run workflows. Okay, so you must be able to run the workflows effectively. in Windows system, we can directly right click and or left click, or we can just run the workflow. It is just like this dot Teradata, like that. Okay, run the workflow. That is very easy. But when your servers are at a Linux machine, you don't have that much user-friendly atmosphere. You will be always having command line. So these command line scripts, these are called scripts. Okay. Scripts are run through something called a cron job. Okay, when you get time, try to go to YouTube and try to study about that. You will cover it in an Informatica perspective when you try to study BMC and Economics. So these cron jobs, these are kind of schedulers that workflow is scheduled for some time. Okay, that workflow will be automatically run through this script that we will write. So a developer must know how to write the script, how to navigate through the Linux directories, what are the commands, the small commands that are used. Once you get it, that will be very helpful when you start working. So you need to understand the concept of command line code. I'm just telling you, this is because when you get into the workplace, things won't be that much easy like this start system. Okay. And,
okay.
Start Teradata, and it is starting. It says the state is shown here. Okay, and it is starting here. You can see so this is how we start Teradata. It says it's run started. Okay. And how SQL Server can be started? SQL Server can be started from its general management configuration manager. Okay, SQL Server configuration manager. We will be starting SQL Server. It is currently, it says running.